I've been a fan of aviator glasses for quite a long time, but when I'm talking about sunglasses and which aviator sunglass wins the award for Most Badass Aviator of 2023, let's talk about the Claw Pilot. Hello and welcome to the Hicks Brunson Eyewear YouTube channel. I am your friendly neighborhood optician, Daniel Brunson, and today we're going to talk about the most badass aviator perhaps of 2023. We'll get to that in just a minute. If you want to see more content like this, where you learn things about eyewear style, lenses, all things having to do with eyewear, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button down below before we get started so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. All right, so let's get right into it. We're talking about aviators. I love a good aviator. As you can see, I just coincidentally happen to be wearing my my new goatee aviator here today. Of course, I got my transitions lenses in it. But today we're going to talk about sunglasses. So this is a really beautiful design. We'll just get right to it here. This is the Claw Pilot by Anna-Karin Karlsson. And for those of you who may not know who Anna-Karin Karlsson is, she has created a beautiful luxury eyewear brand, and she just burst onto the scene in the last couple of years and is really redefining what luxury eyewear is. Now, the Claw Pilot, just like most Anna-Karin frames, is handmade in Japan, titanium, lots of 18 karat gold plating on that finish there. This aviator, as sizes go, we're going to talk about the details here in a minute, but as sizes go, this is a bigger one. This is a 62i 15 bridge. I'm going to put it on here for just a moment. So nice big teardrop shape. This color in particular, when I talk about most badass aviator of 2023, I mean, it goes without saying, any frame with black claw, with gold claws, you know, all the black and gold combo with the gold claws reaching around the lenses as if to hold the lenses in place, or maybe as if to hold you back, because when you're wearing this thing, you've just got so much energy that you don't know what to do. You need claws to hold it in. This is just one of those pieces that, the way I think of Anna-Karin pieces, it's very artistic. She's got just so much creativity when you look at the detail work, and when you look at the Eyewear, and you look at the thickness and the ridges all the way around here. Of course, you've got titanium nose pads. The detail work's incredible. Everything Anna-Karin does is on a very limited edition basis. So this one I have in my hand here, this one is limited edition number 5 and number 22 of only 50 of this edition that'll ever be made, and that's worldwide, guys. So I'll probably only have maybe one of these at our store. This may be the only one we ever have of these. So if you want something that is like on the level of collector's item in sunglasses, this is definitely one of those pieces. The lens color is actually really soothing. I don't know how much you can see of the lens color in the natural light combined with the artificial light that I've got in the room here, but it's sort of a blue-gray gradient. And of course, just like all nice eyewear, it has an anti-reflective coating on the back side here, so that when you're wearing these out under the bright sun, any light that comes in from the sides or the top or anywhere from an angle behind you is not going to reflect back into your eyes, because nobody likes that. We want to have the most clear and sharp vision possible when we're looking through our lenses. And of course, one of the things we do around here is prescription eyewear. So if you're looking for prescription lenses for this frame or any other, all of those features, tint color, anti-reflective coating on the backside, can all be replicated in your prescription, no matter what kind of prescription lens you need. So shout out to my pick for what I'm going to say wins the most badass aviator of 2023, Anna-Karin Karlsson, and the Claw Pilot in the black color specifically. Just doesn't get any cooler than this. Like, you put this on and all of a sudden you just feel a whole lot cooler. I don't know what it is about a piece of eyewear that can kind of create that feel, that vibe, that swagger that you feel when you wear it. And it's interesting because eyewear has been around for quite a long time. And at the end of the day, gang, it's a couple of lenses, a bridge, couple of temples to hold it on your head, some nose pads if it's a metal frame. But the way that designers like Anna-Karin Karlsson continue to reinvent the wheel with creativity in design work like this one just never ceases to amaze me as an optician who's followed this industry for the last 22 years. So check this out, guys. We'll make links available down below if you want to shop the Claw Pilot on hicksbrunson.com and the rest of the Anna-Karin Karlsson collection. If you shop there, it really helps support the channel and all of the work we do here. And as I said before, if you liked what you saw, please give me a like and a subscribe, and that way you won't miss any of my upcoming videos.